What's up, Thenx athletes? It's Chris Heria. Welcome to another video of Official Thenx. Today we're going to be doing a workout to get a shredded six-pack all from home. One of the benefits of training your abs is that you don't really need equipment and you can get a challenging workout and see real results all from the comfort of your own home. Now, if you think you don't need to train abs, check out my video on why you actually do. That video is called, Do You Need to Train Abs to Get a Six-Pack? Your core plays a crucial role in contracting, rotating, and flexing your body, as well as supports in all compound exercises. So training your abdominals will not only avoid injury, but also increase the performance of your overall physical ability. Now, one of the best ways to train abs and burn fat simultaneously is with high-intensity interval training. You'll also burn way more calories with HIIT training in a shorter amount of time than with other exercise styles like steady state cardio. Now, our abdominals are made up of our internal and external obliques, our rectus abdominis, and transverse abdominis, which are basically the layers of muscles that make up your abs. So with today's routine, we'll be engaging all these muscles and incorporating HIIT training in this 10-minute workout, allowing you to train your abs while simultaneously burning fat. So if you're ready to get started, download the Thenx app in the App Store or Google Play Store. If you haven't already, open up to the YouTube workout section. You should find this routine. I want you to open it up to properly follow along with me. This is going to be 10 exercises for 45 seconds each, 15 seconds rest in between to incorporate the high intensity interval training style. This routine requires absolutely no equipment, so the only thing we're going to need is 10 minutes of your time and dedication. There's not going to be much talking after this. We're going to go through the whole routine. If you feel like you're getting fatigued or you feel like you need to stop at any moment, do not get discouraged. Slow down if you need to, even take a second to catch your breath, but the goal is to try not to stop while you're going on for that 45 seconds. Eventually, the more you do this routine and the more you do this style of training, you'll be able to hang in a lot longer and complete the full 45 seconds of every single exercise without stopping. So with that said, we're ready to get started. The first exercise is going to be jumping jacks. Let's go for 45 seconds. Now, one of the most important things that you can be doing while doing these exercises for 45 seconds is to regulate your breathing. The more controlled and regulated your breathing is, the longer you'll be able to last. You can gas yourself out just by breathing hard. We're almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, take a quick second to catch your breath. It's a great first exercise to warm up your whole body and get your heart rate going. The next exercise we're gonna go for will be bicycles. We're gonna take it down to the floor, emphasizing more on the abdominals now. We're gonna come touch elbow to knee, fully extend, touch elbow to knee. A lot of this gets a lot easier when you learn to regulate your breathing. And what I mean by that is to breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. And try not to breathe too fast, but breathe that 2 seconds in and double the exhale. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, as you can see, because I regulated my breathing, I'm not as gassed after 45 seconds of bicycles. Now, the next exercise we're gonna go into is gonna be high knee taps. Again, this exercise is gonna have us work our abdominals. So let's go for 45 seconds. You wanna touch your knee to the other knee. You wanna bring your knees up high. Remember, if you're just getting started, you bring your knees up at a moderate level, but the goal is to bring them up higher and higher. Be as explosive as you can. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, you should start feeling fine now. We're gonna go back down to the ground, really work our obliques as well as our abdominals with this next exercise. It's gonna be Russian twist. So you wanna keep your legs as straight as possible from your hips to your toes. You're gonna touch one side, touch touch the other side, and really turn your abdominals every time. Now, if this is too difficult for you, you can always bend your knees. It's gonna be a lot easier. But if you keep your legs straight, the further away your legs are from your body, the more you're engaging your abdominals. So keep your legs as straight as possible. Almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're gonna take a second, catch our breath. This is the most important time. Start slowing down your breathing. You're gonna be able to catch your breath and continue on with this routine. The next exercise we're gonna get into is gonna be mountain climbers. So we're gonna get into a push-up position. You're gonna bring your knee up, knee up. Bring your knees up as high as you can. Now remember, if you're feeling fatigued, you can always slow down. And if not, you can keep going at a high intensity pace. The most important thing is that you do not stop. Here we go, we're almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, we're gonna go back on to laying on our backs. The next exercise we're gonna get into is gonna be laying leg raises. And you notice that like we're hitting all the different muscles within our abdominals. So let's get into this next exercise, laying leg raises. We're gonna have our hands underneath. Remember, keeping your legs straight all the way up and all the way down. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Take that little break. Next exercise we're gonna get into the in and outs, open and close. We're gonna switch over back into a push-up position, and then we're gonna jump in, all the way in, all the way out, legs open, legs closed. Go at your own pace. Almost there. Keep it going. Keep your core tight. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. You guys should definitely be feeling that by now. We're going to the next exercise in a plank position. We're going for a plank side to side and really focus on the full range of motion. So you get into a plank, you get your hips down to one side, down to the other side. All right, let's go for it. Focus on the quality of the engagement in your abdominals versus how fast you're actually going for this exercise. We're almost there. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, we're almost done. We're gonna go to this next exercise, laying down star crunches. So we're gonna assume the shape of a star. You're gonna come up, touch one ankle, come down, Touch the other ankle. Let's go for it. Almost there. 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right. It's time to finish off this routine. We're gonna go for high knee runs. The last exercise is supposed to burn you out, so I want you to give everything you got. Try not to stop no matter what. Let's go for 45 seconds. So there you have it, guys. 10 minutes to build your six-pack and burn fat, all from home with absolutely no equipment. So if you were able to get through round 1 with me, that's amazing. And if you had to take a couple stops along the way, do not get discouraged, because eventually, the more you do this, the more you train like this, it's gonna get a lot easier. You're gonna be able to sustain every single exercise for 45 seconds, and then you're really gonna start seeing some real results. And eventually, you'll be able to do this for more rounds, and that's exactly what I want you to do. For this workout to be most effective and to get the most results, you wanna do this for at least 3 to 4 more rounds. If you're doing this along with good nutrition, you're gonna have a strong, solid six-pack really fast. So if you enjoyed the video, definitely smash that like button, leave a comment down below, let me know what you want the next video to be about, and subscribe if you haven't already, because we post every single Sunday, 8 p.m. USA Eastern Time. And if you comment within the first 30 minutes of any upload, you always have a chance to win some free Thyroids gear. If you know anyone else that's trying to train from home, definitely share this video with a friend, and come back to this video on a weekly basis to make sure you're training abs and simultaneously burning fat each week. And for more workouts just like this that are gonna get you in the best shape of your life, sign up and become a member at thenx.com. Get full access to all our workout programs, technique guides, and daily workouts that are gonna have you shredded. And download the Thyroids app in the App Store to take this workout and all our workouts anywhere you go. And join the millions of other Thyroids athletes around the world getting in the best shape of their lives. Now, for more of my content during the week, make sure you're subscribed to my vlog channel. That's youtube.com/ChrisHeria. And make sure you're following me on Instagram. That's Chris Heria as well. And if you're enjoying the music, then make sure you're following me on SoundCloud. That's where I drop my latest tracks. You can also find my music on other platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, Tidal, and all the other ones. And with that said, I'll see you guys next Sunday, 8 p.m. USA Eastern Time. Mad love. Peace out.
Carry